Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about VASTARMOR Radeon RX 7700XT in white color. So friend, VASTARMOR, who have become AMD board partner when RTN2 architecture was released, is now releasing more and more GPUs based on the latest RDNA3 architecture. And the latest updates show that the company will launch its first white design called Allow White, and the new card is based on Radeon RX 7700XT, so the latest popular AMD GPU right now. And this card is based on cut down Navi 32 GPU with 3456 cores and comes equipped with 12GB GDDR6 memory across a 192-bit bus. The new alloy model mirrors the existing black version already available in the market with identical specification and physical design differing in color. VASTARMOR has verified that the car maintains a base clock of 1784 MHz, game clock of 2276 MHz, and a boost clock that reaches up to 2600 MHz. And despite compact size measuring 26.3 by 13.2 cm, and the car demands 3 slots due to thickness of 5.6 cm, and it relies on standard 8-pin power connector installed in pads. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.